What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sheena.
Christian.
Dayan.
Remeline Alado.
Trisha.
My name is Sharina.
What's your previous job before this?
I was a flight attendant for Philippine Airlines.
Call center agent.
Copywriter.
Sales rep.
I was also a writer, editor, lahat ng may isip mo, ginawa ko na.
So I've been an executive assistant sa isang real estate company here in the Philippines.
What do you do now?
I'm an executive assistant for my client who is an educational consultant.
Copywriter and community manager.
I'm a VA, sales VA.
I am currently a copywriter for Coconut VA and for a client.
I do now is, of course, I'm part of the family Coconut VA. So, yeah, as executive assistant / social media manager.
What are the top 3 tasks that you do?
Email recaps, Notion project management, and HubSpot CRM.
I write.
I edit and I research.
Cold outreach, sometimes email management too. Sometimes then building list. Yeah, lead generation.
Do phone calls, cold emails, outreaches, lead gen.
I manage the clients, the community, and then I do ad hoc tasks because it's a startup. As an EA, I do most is yung email management, of course, and then I make sure that my client is updated sa lahat ng schedules na ng activities, daily activities. And then second, SMM, of course, my favorite, graphics, video editing, ganon. And then mostly talagang as a friend, of course, we're not just workers, but we should be also partner or support to our clients.
What are the top 3 skills you need to have?
Number 1, kailangan super strong research. Number 2, dapat very proactive. And number 3, dapat you have to anticipate the needs of the team, not just the CEO.
Attention to detail, being proactive, and always approach with a positive outlook.
Being diligent, having that never say die attitude.
I think creativity, resourcefulness, and organizational skills.
As a sales VA, syempre dapat yung communication skills very important, of course. Syempre, yung multitasking skills mo, whenever you're talking to people, syempre kausap ka tapos type and document ng Third, dapat resourceful ka, sis.
Email management, of course, and then sa SMM, graphics, video editing. Ganun siya, graphics and video editing.
What are the top 3 tools you need to learn?
HubSpot, Notion, Asana.
Utilize ChatGPT. Yes.
Correct.
Yung Google Workspace, very important yan. Communication channels like Slack, very important din, or WhatsApp. And then, calling tools like...
Ring Central.
Yeah, Ring Central. And there's a lot more, really.
Any type of CRM, any type of dialer, and social skills.
Need mo na ng AI ngayon, guys. AI. Honestly, yung client nyo magsasabi ng, okay, you can draft this using AI and then you can just edit it to make it sound human. Yun na yung meta ngayon sa writing. Honestly. No.
Really?
Oo, yun yung sinasabi nila. So you need to be familiar with AI and you need to at least know kung ano yung bosses ng AI, what makes it sound AI, para alam mo yung i-humanize mo doon. Yun. Tapos, so AI tools like ChatGPT, ganun, maganda yung DeepSeek, pero medyo iffy yung background niya. ChatGPT pa rin, ganun. Yun. Tapos, other tools, writing tools, your word processor, yan lang talaga. Whatever you use as a word processor. And usually, you need also to know how to format it na in a page. So kung blog writer ka, for example, you need to know how to work with HubSpot, mga CMS mo, how to make it look good. Hindi na lang siya copywriting. You also need to know how to organize it to look good on a web page.
Of course, AI, you cannot live without AI on ChatGPT, Claude. Then sa graphics, of course, Canva. And then what I use also is CapCut.
Join Coconut!
Hey guys, join Coconut na please! Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Join na.
Join Coconut.
Join Coconut!
Join Coconut! Yes! Woohoo!
Join Coconut!